Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I divide both sides by y to the power of 4. So we have 1 over y to the power of 3 dy over y to the power of 4 dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equal to 1 over y to the power of 3. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dx equals to negative number 3 over y to the power of 4 dy over dx. Next, because we don't have negative number 3, so we divide both sides by negative number 3. This one we change by this one. This one we change by v. Later that we divide both sides by negative s over 3. Next, we have v and first the derivative of v. So that is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative number 3 over s next to v, that is for integrating factor. This one we have negative number 3 f and s. Later that I will put negative number 3 go inside about natural law in here. And we have s to the power of negative number 3. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 1 over s to the power of 3, and we can put 3 over s to the power of 4. This one we simplify number 5 minus number 3, we have s squared. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first the derivative of y equals to first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first the derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs to the power of negative number 3. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. Number 6 divided by number 3, so we have number 2. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.